Hi, I've got a Worcester boiler and it's a 30 CDI combi. Now what it is, this motor's running continuously and I've had this trouble before. This motor here, it's continuously running, and as I say, I've had this trouble before. And what I do, I undo this screw from out of here, and then this whole compartment here then lifts up. So you take that off, and then you got to bloody release this thing. So you just give us a minute whilst I release it. Whoops. Right, you lift it and you bring it down. And this cable, you disconnect it. It stops it. Give it a few minutes. And then you got to plug the bloody thing back in. I might be better off before plugging it in, sorry, turning this off and trying to get this back in here now. Awkward bloody thing it is. There we are, it's back in. Turn it back on. It'll reboot itself up and that'll cure your problem. Well, it does for my boiler anyway. So there you are, folks, give it a try. If everything else fails, there's a lot on YouTube about how to do it, but a lot of them just don't work. I've tried them quite a while back and none of them work, so this is how I stop it and it does work. So thanks a lot for watching, bye.